This is your hydrogen reading quiz. So we're going to read this together and then we're going to take the quiz. So hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas. Hydrogen's atomic number is 1. It's in the first column of the periodic table, so that means its outer shell has 1 electron available for bonding. Hydrogen has 1 proton, 1 electron. Hydrogen's atomic number is 1.0079. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen is a very light, colorless or odorless, colorless gas, but is highly explosive. Hydrogen exists in nature in 2 states which behave differently. Hydrogen easily bonds with other free hydrogens and with oxygen to make water. The world's natural supply of hydrogen comes from volcanic explosions. Man-made hydrogen comes from steam. Hydrogen is not bound to the Earth by gravity and is lost to space. Liquid hydrogen is used in cryogenics and to study superconductivity. Hydrogen is used in welding, in making hydrogenated oils and butters, and to make hydrochloric acid. Deuterium, an isotope of hydrogen, is used to slow down nuclear reactions in nuclear power plants. Beryllium, another isotope, was used in the hydrogen bomb. The history. Hydrogen was discovered in 1766 to be an element by Henry Cavendish. It is named for the Greek word hydros, meaning water, and gen, meaning producing. Antoine Lavoisier suggested the name because when hydrogen was burned, water was produced. I need you to type your first name, type your last name, select your teacher. Hydrogen is a gas, a solid, or a liquid. Please scroll up here. Again, read through it and try to find your answer. Number 2, it is in the first blank of the periodic table, so that means its outer shell has 1 electron available for bonding. Go back to the top, read your discussion again, and then select the answer. Is it period, row, or column? Hydrogen has blank protons. 1, 2, or 3. Hydrogen easily bonds with other free hydrogens and with oxygen to make gold, water, salt. Hydrogen was discovered in 1786, 1759, or 1766 to be an element by Henry Cavendish. When you get done, submit your quiz. You can take this quiz as many times as you need to, but you have to make at least a 40 out of 50.